The fact that our body needs vitamins to work correctly isn't news for anyone. These organic micronutrients are very important for our bodies, and although they aren't capable of producing enough of them, a balanced diet takes care of that. Vitamins are responsible for different bodily functions, and the lack of them can cause serious health problems. In today's video, we're going to explore some of the signs that can indicate a vitamin deficiency. Numbness or a tingling sensation in your hands and feet. One of the possible causes is a deficiency of the B9, B6, and B12 vitamins. Other side effects of this deficiency can be depression, anemia, fatigue, and hormonal imbalances. Some foods that are rich in these vitamins are chicken, seafood, eggs, beans, beets, asparagus, and spinach. Supplementing with nutritional yeast can also help. Dry lips. Dry lips are usually tied to a vitamin B deficiency, in addition to other minerals such as iron and zinc. Dry skin indicates the same problem. In order to fix this deficiency, you need to eat more beets, peanuts, and lentils. If you aren't a vegetarian, eggs, seafood, and lean meats can also do the trick. If you want to increase your iron absorption, you also need to consume more vitamin C. Red and white acne-like bumps. These small bumps appear mainly on your face, arms, thighs, and back. Their appearance can be tied to a vitamin A and D deficiency, as well as a lack of good fats, such as omega-3. In order to increase your vitamin A levels, eat more green vegetables, carrots, sweet potatoes, and peppers. On the other hand, vitamin D can be obtained through sunlight or supplements. Last but not least, always give preference to healthy fats present in foods such as fish, nuts, seeds, etc. Muscle cramps in the legs and feet. If you're an athlete, you should know how to fix this problem. In order to prevent cramps, consume more magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals can be found in bananas, apples, peanuts, sesame seeds, hazelnuts, zucchini, broccoli, and green leafy vegetables. Red scaly eruptions on your face. Our body doesn't store biotin since it's soluble. A lack of it can cause symptoms such as red splotches on your face. Our suggestion is that you eat boiled eggs, salmon, avocado, bananas, blueberries, nuts, cauliflower, and mushrooms. Hair loss. Just like the red splotches, hair loss is an indication of a biotin deficiency. This vitamin can normally be found in products that promise to help improve hair growth. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.